right, the stock market has been on a tear, and it is testing my macro levels at 43.50 on the SPX. I think after 43.50, it's either going to pull back hard, which is fine. I'm ready for that. But then it may go all the way up to 4,500 and then retake our highs from a couple years ago. But let's talk about KHC, Kraft Heinz. This is a consumer defensive stock. So the reason why this is down 2% and everything else is up is because this is where people go when the stock market is going down. And so it's been on a nice tear since the market has been down. And now that the market is popping a little bit, this is coming back in. You can see right here coming back in. And 37 is a good level. See right here, it acted as a resistance, and then here it acted like support. But this is only the 4 hour, so this is only a very, very recent level. If I look back further, it gets a little more cloudy. I guess right here, maybe a support here, but that's about it. Let's go back even further. So 37. The further I go out, the less meaningful it looks, which is not a good sign, but it does help. So yeah, this is when the stock market's been on a tear, people selling out of the consumer defensives and jumping back into the more high risk stuff. So 37 is a good level that I can start the wheel on. Let's see. Traditionally, Kraft Heinz doesn't pay any dividend because it is a very solid stock, but it's moving 2% today. So let's see if there is some premium out there. Yeah, and just as I suspected, it's Wednesday right now, so we only got a couple days on these. But even if I sold in the money at 37, which it's only at 36.93 right now, it would only pay me about $25, which does not meet my 1%. But like I said, this is a consumer defensive. So when the market does start to tank, then this will pop right back up. Let me check something else real quick. Let me check the dividend. I haven't traded this stock in a while. Let me check what the dividend's at just real quick. And this will let me know whether I want to do a covered call or a cash secured put. Yeah, the dividend's okay. It's only 4%, but we've seen a lot higher, especially in the regional bank space. We've seen a lot higher. So I'm just gonna sell the covered call in the money on this consumer defensive, and then if the market has a pullback, I'll get out of this super quick. And that is in the money put at 37. Hopefully we get a fill.